Guys, do you know what this is? This is onboard charger. Do you know how to test it with our devices? Today we'll take the real case, step by step of how to connect with the cables and test it. Let's go. Enter component test and the OBC detection. We could either select by car model, by manufacturer, or by the OBC model. Today we're gonna select by manufacturer. It's actually Shinray, this one. And let's choose the correct. It's in here. But before we enter the menu, we need to enter the wiring diagram. Stay the network connected, or it cannot be loaded. We cannot have a wiring diagram without network. So, as we can see clearly, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cables to be connected with the communication port. And we also need to provide zero wire and fire wire accordingly with a stable, adjustable power supply. Power the VCI with an external 12 volts power supply. And then connect with our universal jumper cable. And then connect to the communication port cable by cable. Okay, the ground cable. And the battery cable VBB. And this is our K-bus cable. And our CC cable that's connected to J1708 minus. And this is our CAN low cable. In the end, our CAN high cable. Find the model number on the DC-DC nameplate. Then we can enter it. As you can see, the voltage is 360 volts. Then we need to set the adjustable power supply to like 370 volts, a little higher than the rated voltage, and to test it. It's just that easy. And then we can press start up to actually start. Have you learned that the connection actually looks very complicated and it actually may take a while, but that doesn't mean it's very difficult. As long as you follow the prompt step by step, it's just a piece of cake. If you want to learn more EV repair tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.